northern part of India, as it is the months of June, July, and August are the summer season in the northern hemisphere. That means temperature is pretty high and humidity increases. So, as the land surface warms up, the temperature of the surrounding air also increases. That causes humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor in the air. If there is more water vapor in the air, we also call it moisture. Now, the moisture carrying air moves towards the Himalayan region where the temperature is comparatively low. When warm air rises, it does not rise in an absolute straight upward pattern because there are winds that flow horizontally. That means the direction is a little sideways. That is how the warm air of northern India moves towards the Himalayan region during the summer season as the warm air moves towards the Himalayan ranges, or you can say hilly terrain. During the summer season, the Indian side of the Himalayan mountains become the windward side. So when warm air carrying moisture moves towards the hilly terrain, and by the way, even the mountain surface will heat up during the summer season. However, the mountain will also lose heat faster than the valley floor, and that's what makes the mountains cool. Now the warm air of the valley rises and moves towards the Himalayan colder region. We know that the troposphere is cold, but it's very high up in the sky, somewhere around 15-kilometer high. Before the warm air reaches the troposphere at the mid altitude, the warmer air gets attracted towards the colder region that exists at the top of a mountain. Himalayan mountains are snow-capped mountains. It is cold at the top. We know that Himalayan mountains do not touch the troposphere. They are not 15 kilometers high. On average, these mountains are around 5 to 8 kilometers high. That's true. I'm talking about the greater Himalayas. When warm air rises upward along the slope of the mountain, warm air then starts to cool because atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. As the warm air begins to cool, the water vapor present in it starts to condense, then clouds begin to form. It forms a vertical column of clouds known as cumulonimbus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds appear at the height of 3 to 5 kilometers. If you look at the recent cloudburst in Dharamshala, Dharamshala is located in Kangra Valley in the shadow of the Dhauladhar mountains. Dhauladhar range is a part of lesser or middle Himalayan chain of mountains. The height of the mountain ranges vary from 3 to 5 kilometers. When these clouds stop at one place and water droplets within the clouds begin to mix together, the density of the clouds increases greatly with the weight of the drops, and then suddenly it bursts. Since these clouds burst at a higher elevation, the rainfall does not stop on the mountain, so the water comes down along with mud and stones. That is why you see extreme rainfall, thunderstorm, and flash floods, which cause a lot of damage. Even the 2013 Uttarakhand flood is an example of this kind of phenomena.